Run around the garden like a teddy bear. Nilibing nila doon sa ibang bansa na hindi alam ng pamilya. Pumupunta ng ibang bansa para makatulong sa pamilya, maahon sa hirap, tapos ganyan lang yung kahihinatnan. It's really painful, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone.
No.
No.
My
Ating
turn.
baby girl na maldita. Say hi sa anak, be.
Hi, Paris.
Say hi, friends.
I feel so good packs.
You're going to the park, aren't you? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Daddy will push. So it is Tuesday, guys, at ang ating baby girl ay wala sa childcare. Kasi kaninang umaga pagkagising namin, iyak siya ng iyak. Actually, I got her ready for childcare. Binihisan ko na siya. Pero ayaw niya talaga, guys, for some reason. Hindi talaga siya masaya kaninang umaga pagkagising niya. Kaya yung ginawa ko, tumawag ako sa manager ko. Sabi ko na hindi mo na ako papasok ngayon. I'll take like a day off to look after Paris. Kasi nga siguro, alam niyo yun, I feel na rin na kailangan na rin ni Paris na yun sigurong time with me ba. So wala akong trabaho today, guys. Pero yung daddy niya, mag-aalauna na pala ng hapon. At ang daddy niya ay, ayan, sumama sa amin. Nag-lunch break yung daddy niya. Pero pupunta kami ng park kasi nga open na yung mga park, 'di ba? So just to make Paris happy. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Wala lagi jacket na. Aren't you cold na? Kami, guys, wala din kami mga jacket. Sobrang ganda ng araw ba? Tingnan niyo si Daddy Mike, oh. Naka ano lang, sleeveless. At naka shorts. Here's the park. Are you excited?
Close.
It's not closed anymore, honey. They just put the flag. But it's open for you. See these babies? Yes.
No.
Yes. Paris is here.
I go down.
Okay, Paris, come down.
This is for the bucket.
Where are you going?
Look at the bucket.
Oh, go get the bucket.
Yeah, just don't take on
Go
that.
straight to it. Nandito ang kanyang slide na maliit, guys. Oh. Tapos meron dyan. Meron pa doon. And then that's another one there.
Hi, Daddy.
What are you making, Paris?
Can Daddy have kiss?
Why, Daddy? Oh, Daddy's coming to the house.
Daddy will go see you back at the house because Daddy has to go work.
Mommy said go back.
Yeah, Mommy will stay with you.
Mommy will stay at the park.
Paris say the park.
That's right.
Yeah.
High five.
Paris and Mommy stay in the park.
High five. High five, Daddy.
High five, Daddy.
Look. Look, Mommy.
That's right. We'll go there. Let's play with the bucket first.
Yes, Mama.
Good girl.
Daddy's not win bucket. Mommy, making.
Daddy's going now, guys.
I'm making Mommy and Mom making
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see at home.
Okay. See you, Daddy. Nak, see you, Daddy, nak.
See, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
They have a rope.
I love you.
That is rope.
You make sure you exercise lots, yeah?
Bye, Daddy.
And you run around everywhere.
Bye, Daddy. Here. Stay here. Wow. Wow. Good girl.
Finish.
What are you doing, Paris?
I'm making sandcastle. Mommy.
Daddy's going there around and then he's gonna go home.
Daddy's working my.
Yeah,
That's the fox.
Daddy's working, man.
That's the fox.
Oh, what's that?
Wings.
Wow, the car.
Oh, just a big one.
A big one, fast one.
It's fast.
Do you want to go swing?
This is fast.
Yes. Do you guys swing?
That's too big.
Here, that one now. Paris driving. Run around the garden like a teddy bear.
Nice shot. Like two shots. Isn't there?
You wanna go down? Makalipong manin ako eh. Labad ng ulo ni mama na.
Okay.
Do you wanna go swing?
On this one.
Not that one that's for big girls and boys. There, oh. The one there. Ano? The one there, oh. The one there. Let's go. Swing.
That's baby.
Yes, go. One, two, ready? What are you doing, my love? What's that? Yes, spoon. Have a look. Welcome to Spoonville. Feel free to add to the Spoonville family. We will check for missing parts which fall off and may harm the environment. Wow, there's lots of spoons. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? Which one? Whoa! Tell mommy. Which one is the best? That one. Why is that, anak?
Down.
Yeah.
Go down, mommy.
Why is it, Baba?
Go down.
Go down.
Open it. Open it.
No, we can't open, anak. Next time when we come, we'll bring our own spoon, okay?
Okay, Ava.
Okay, good girl. Nakapasok na ang ating baby girl, guys. Balik sa kanyang pram. Did you have fun, honey? Baby girl? Ayan, mag-snacks na yan siya. Tapos, for sure, on our way home, makakatulog yan siya. Kasi she's tired. I'll just leave your juice there, okay? Ready to go?
Yes.
Good job. Hi guys! So it's now 4:30 ng hapon and guess what? Nasa park pa rin kami but this time hindi na katulad ng park na pinuntahan namin kanina. So after nung park kanina, 'di ba, umalis na kami. And then Paris fell asleep sa pram. So pumunta ako, naglakad-lakad ako papuntang shops para bumili ng something to drink. Tapos yun nga, nakatulog si Paris and then pumunta ako doon sa isang cafe, Asian cafe, kasi favorite ko na cafe yun siya, guys. They were closed for a while dahil sa lockdown nga. So closed sila. And then nabalitaan ko na nag-open sila. So I went back kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga yung coconut smoothie nila. Favorite ko talaga yun. So I went back there and then yung may-ari sabi na wala daw silang coconut smoothie. But then he introduced me to things, yung mga pagkain, yung ibang mga drinks. And feel ko talaga na parang gusto niya talagang ang tawag dito, gusto niya talaga na may benta ba. Siguro kasi very quiet dahil kahit open na sila, still lockdown pa rin. So walang masyadong tao doon sa cafe nila. So feel ko talaga yung, anong tawag nito, yung bang parang he was trying hard to sell me something. Kaya naawa talaga ako, guys. Kaya sabi ko, bili na lang ako ng iced chocolate. Ayan. Tapos bumili din ako ng, there you go, honey. Bumili na rin ako ng dumplings. Kasi inanot talaga niya, guys, in-explain niya talaga lahat sa akin, ganito, ganyan, this is very yum, kasi homemade daw, hindi daw ako magre-regret, ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, okay na, I'm gonna get some. Ayan. So, ayan yung pork dumplings, guys. Steam lang yung binili ko, hindi yung fried. I prefer this one. And then, binigyan niya ako ng soy sauce. Ayan, sausawan. Tapos, si Paris pala, guys. Pagkatapos namin doon, so bumalik na kami. We're walking back home. Tapos, itong baby girl natin ay super iyak na naman pagkagising kasi nakatulog siya. And then, for some reason, pagkagising niya, umiyak na naman siya ng umiyak. So, I took her out from the pram. Tapos, nung naglalakad kami, guys, I was carrying her. Sobrang nangalay talaga ang aking mga braso, guys. Tapos, dito na siya nagpababa nung dito na kami sa park. Ito yung park na malapit sa bahay. Hindi yung sobrang lapit sa bahay. Yung second na malapit. Ang daming park dito, guys. Sobra. Dito na siya nagpalagay kasi may park na kaya na-enjoy na siya. Sobrang saya niya talaga pag nasa park. Say hi, anak. Say hi, tito. Hi, tita. What's wrong? Boo-boo, you can boo-boo. Ang daming mga bata din dito, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Oh, again! Tommy!
Paris tummy? Paris boo-boo?
No.
Nakauwi na kami. And makakain na talaga natin ito, guys. Ang ating pork dumplings. Nakakain ako kanina doon sa park ng dalawa. Hindi ko talaga siya na-enjoy kasi si Paris was playing. And alangan naman iwan ko si Paris. So, obviously, ang ating baby girl ang ating priority, diba? So, makakain na natin ito ngayon. I'm so excited. Ito pala ang ating lunch, guys. Pero anong oras na? And also, may dumating pala, guys. Order ko to online. I'm not too sure kung anong laman ito. But we'll figure out together. Na-excite talaga ako pag nakakatanggap ako ngayon. Ding-ding. Ah!
Mommy!
Yes, my love? What are you having? Have a look na. I think this is yours. Yeah! Remember, guys, sa video natin, I don't know, last week or 2 weeks ago. So, binigyan ako ni Daddy Mike ng pera for, pambili ng baby ni Paris. And, yes, my love? Where's the iPad? God, look for the iPad to. Dumating na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo.
It's for parents.
Wala, it's too big pa man siguro, nak. Ayan. So, ito yung bottom. And, ito yung...
Papa Pig!
Ay, Peppa Pig. Okay, where's the remote? Get the remote. Where's the remote? Ayan. Medyo malaki pa siya, guys, I think. What do you reckon of? Do you like it, nak? Yes? Do you like it? Do you want to show it to Daddy? Si Daddy, it's here. Alam niyo, guys, may nakakalungkot na balita ba? May group chat kasi kami sa Facebook ng mga, ang tawag dito, yung mga kabatchmates ko noong high school. And isa na naman sa batchmate namin yung nawala ng buhay, guys. Really sad. I think last month or more than a month ago, nag-share ako na yung kabatchmate ko, kaibigan ko, and also kapitbahay namin. Nagtrabaho siya sa ibang bansa. Tapos, namatay siya, guys, kasi sabi ng amo niya or yung mga kasamahan niya sa trabaho doon sa ibang bansa na naslide daw siya sa banyo at nabagok yung ulo. Kaya yun nangyari. So, dinala siya sa ospital. Unfortunately, hindi kinaya ng katawan niya. So, yun. So, nawalan siya ng buhay sa ibang bansa, guys. Obviously, masakit para sa pamilya na ganun yung mangyari. Ang mas masakit pa ngayon, guys, kasi yung mama niya, yung plano ng mama niya na ipakremate na lang. Tapos naghanda na yung mama niya sa sa altar para kung saan ilagay yung abo niya and Tapos ngayon, guys, yung kapatid kasi niya na babae din isa, doon sa ibang bansa din nagtatrabaho. So, supposedly, sabay silang umuwi ng Pilipinas kahit na yung ate niya ay bangkay na lang. Pero alam mo yung nangyari, guys? Sabi ng, I'm not too sure kung ang mga doktor or ang agency ang nagsabi na nakalibing na daw, guys. So, nilibing nila yung kaibigan ko doon sa ibang bansa na hindi alam ng pamilya. At hanggang ngayon guys, hindi nila alam kung saan nakalibing, kung ano talaga yung nangyari kasi I don't think na ginawa ng autopsy or anything like that. Kasi hindi naniniwala yung pamilya na parang na-slide lang sa banyo tapos nabagok yung ulo. Like, it sounds very strange naman yung ganun. Yeah, it could happen, right? But the family strongly believe na hindi talaga yun yung nangyari. And yeah, unfortunately, wala nang mangyayari ngayon kasi kung nalibing na, ewan ko kung sino ba yung naglibing, but wala namang puso guys, no, yung gumawa ng ganyan. And alam nyo yung agency, I don't think na may ginawa sila para tulungan yung kaibigan ko guys na makauwi ng Pilipinas kahit bangkay na lang. And I really hope na dumating at matulungan sila ng mas nakakataas ba. Yung, ewan ko kung sino yung makakatulong talaga. I'm not sure guys. What do you think? Yung mga ganyan na pangyayari. Palaging nag-ano sila, nananawagan sila kay Rafi Tulfo, yung mga ganun kasi para matawagan yung agency. And I don't think may may response or anything from the team. So, yun guys, kawawa talaga guys. Na parang na-imagine ko ba yung pamilya niya. Sinabi ko nga sa pamilya ko na, can you imagine kung ilagay natin yung sarili natin sa mga sapatos nila, alam nyo yun, na kung hindi na ako nakauwi, tapos ewan ko ba, sakit-sakit lang guys. Uy, sakit palang dungon ba? Nga na ang nahitabo. And then, recently this week lang din, isa sa aming kabatchmate din yung nawalan din ng buhay, na nagtrabaho din siya sa ibang bansa. At yung nangyari naman sa kanya guys, I think na pagdating niya sa unang amo niya, binenta siya ng kanyang amo. And then, yung nakabili sa kanya, oh my God, like seriously, right? Pumupunta ng ibang bansa para makatulong sa pamilya, maahon sa hirap, tapos ganyan lang yung kahihinatnan. It's really painful, guys. Like, yung mga tao sa ibang bansa na ganyan, like, parang tinuturing nila yung mga, yung mga katulong na, parang, anong tawag dito? Yung aso or pusa na ibibenta. But sa kanyang case, guys, binenta daw siya ng kanyang amo, tapos yung nakabili daw sa kanya, hindi daw siya pinapakain ng maayos, ganun. So, parang nawalan siya ng, nawalan siya ng magandang pag-iisip ba. And, yun na rin guys, I'm not too sure kung ano nangyari din dun guys, pero hindi din niya nakayanan. Tapos may 3 pa siyang anak guys, maliliit pa, I think 11, 9, and 4, something like that. Sobrang bata pa ng mga anak niya, and single mom pa siya. Kaya nga sabi ko sa sister ko, kasi nagpapadala naman ako sa pamilya ko every month ng pang-bills nila. Sabi ko, i-add ko na lang yung para kahit konti lang ba makatulong sa sa pamilya nila. Kasi guys, kaawa-awa talaga guys. Can you imagine 3 anak, tapos mga maliliit pa, nag-aaral, and yung mga kids ba, kasi may video naman na in-upload sa sa Facebook. Yung mga kids wala pang ka-idea kung ano nangyari sa nanay nila. Ang sakit-sakit lang talaga guys. Kaya alam nyo, kahit sobrang liit ng blessings guys, grateful talaga ako, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Panginoon. Kasi life is too short talaga, and it becomes shorter. Lalo na may mga demonyo dito sa mundo na, alam nyo na, may mga ginagawang ganyan sa mga kapwa-tao ba. Ayun na nga guys, what do you think guys? Siguro naman makarating sa kinauukulan, no? Yung bang may makatulong sa kanila ba para maano talaga yung, ang tawag dito, parang makalkal talaga kung ano yung totoong nangyari. I think dito sa kabatchmate ko na to, yung bago lang, I think in-organize nila na makauwi na yung bangkay dito sa Pilipinas. Pero yung isang kaibigan ko na nilibing na daw, na hindi pinaalam sa pamilya, yun ba, yun, napakasakit talaga guys. I don't know kung sino makakatulong talaga sa ganyan. Kasi yung mga agency parang bingi-bingihan na lang ba dahil sa nangyari. Parang wala silang pakialam. And unfortunately, alam niyo yung pamilya na wala ding anong tawag nito, walang connection, wala silang plataforma para marinig ng mga nasa itaas yung hinanaing nila. It's very hard guys. Kaya, yeah, let me know kung anong pwede nilang gawin guys. Kasi ako, wala din akong alam sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Like, for me, makakatulong talaga kung makakarating sa may mga way ba katulad kay Serafi Tulfo, yung mga ganun. May way talaga na parang makontak yung ang tawag nito, yung agency para ma-close na yung case ba. Doctor, give me some pill, please.
It's not yet my house.
Huh? Give me some pill. My tummy is aching. Please help. Give me some medicine, please.
Okay.
Okay. Nanonood pala siya ng Blippi, guys. Ayan. And it's now, malapit nang mag 8 o'clock. Nak, it's nearly 8 o'clock, nak. Baba. Shh. Take that off your mouth, nak, be. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike na tonight ay matutulog kami ng maaga. Kasi nga, di ba, si Paris kanina umaga, kaya hindi siya pumasok. Kasi she was Suki baby this morning, kaya hindi siya nakapasok sa childcare. And that's the reason why hindi ako nagtrabaho today. Kaya sabi ni Daddy Mike, let's go to bed by 8:30. Dapat everyone's ready na. And, we'll read her book. And then we'll go to sleep. Isn't that right, honey? Yeah. Come be sure to Mama. Nak, did you enjoy your time with Mama today?
Yes.
Good girl. Wait, Mommy. Show to Mommy. Huh? What's in there? Like that? Like that. Oh, guys, isi-share pala natin yung positive quote of the day kasi I think 2 days in a row na hindi ko na-share sa inyo, guys. Nakakalimutan ko minsan. But this is our positive quote of the day. I don't know if you can read it, guys. I'll read it for you. Today is a brand new day. My past does not define me. My future is mine to create. There you go. That's something for you to ponder, guys, today. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And sa mga bagong subscribers natin, welcome sa inyo. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And of course, sa ating mga mahal na subscribers na hindi nagsasawang manood ng ating mga videos, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. So we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Evert Suta 53 from Laguna City. Shout out to Rosana Mansueto, Bernadette Iscosio. What's wrong, Ana? Shout out to Diceline Beltran, Gladys Mandan Huyan, and also to her husband Rito. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia, Cherry May Ongayo, Cherry Salazar. Shout out daw to Salazar and Duares family and also Euresia family from Negros Occidental. Shout out to Elsa Navales from Davao City, Maria Teresa Ramos Magsisi from Calapan Oriental, Mindoro. Shout out to Lisan Bansil, Presi Kunsad, Riza's Channel. Shout out to Marivic Valcorza, Cherry Ramos and family. Rosalie Ripatacodo from 13 Martires, Cavite. Shout out to Monet Artiliaga from San Pablo, Laguna. What's wrong, my love? Shout out to Amelia Revilla and Pamela de la Torre. Shout out to Odisa Donghil. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Lavla Villadores. Hello, Day. Shout out to Maria Victoria Pangan, Tess Arellano, Myla Betasolo, Rebecca Balingit, Melincia Apundar, Apigo Sister, Jing De Ases, Felisa Manawis, Norberta Nono, Sharon Ando, Donna Ladera, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, and Joanne Hilbulario. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, careful. Bye.